Rumpika landfill site, 3 teams manage and oversee the materials recovery facility known as MRF, who work 3 different shifts throughout the day and night. There is a constant stream of waste that needs sorting, and it needs dedication and commitment to stay on top of it all. The MRF team oversee all the different recycling sections and make sure all the waste is separated into the right areas and that nothing blocks the system. Cardboard, paper, plastic, cans, glass, textiles, Tetra Paks, polystyrene, batteries, food, wood, compost and scrap are all sorted and processed to be sent away for reuse by other businesses. The supervisors of the materials recovery facility are on the front line of recycling 24 hours a day, 5 days a week.